how to replace a smoke detector, hardwired in. Let's go. Before we start disassembling this 15-plus-year-old smoke detector, note the green light. We want to secure the power to the smoke detector. Now with the power off, you see that you want to twist. Twist that off like so. As soon as that came down, this traveler wire was loose. It's not a huge deal though. Let's ensure that the power is off. Remove the faceplate of the old smoke detector. This one's held in by 2 screws. Remove the wires from the box. These are just held in by some wing nuts. Here is our new smoke alarm that we are going to be installing. It has a hard wire and battery backup. There's the 3 pieces we're going to be installing. First, we're going to do the harness. Notice that the red wire is capped. If you had a series of smoke detectors, this would be your traveler wire, which would connect with the other smoke detectors. So if one goes off, they all go off. This apartment, though, only has 1 smoke detector, so I'm going to leave this cap on. Wiring in the wire harness, black to black. And then white wire to white wire. Make sure your connections are nice and tight. Then I'll shove the wire up into the junction box, just leaving the harness. Insert your screws, just a couple of turns. Install the mounting bracket. We got 1 screw lined up. Hook up the wiring harness to the back of the smoke alarm. This is going to be our locking mechanism. It's all the way around the smoke alarm. Get all the excess wire up into the box and then just kind of feel around and twist to the right until you hear it lock. Looks good. Now we're going to activate the battery. Restore power to the smoke alarm. That's how you wire in a smoke alarm with the battery backup. Thanks for watching. See you on the next fix.